How to change language to Japanese Valorant 2025 full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. To change the language in Valorant, you have to uh, go ahead and click settings to open up a whole cadre of customization feature, and after that you have to go ahead and make sure you are in the general tab and you're all set, and text language is right there in the top as you can see. So you can go ahead and click the drop down to select whichever language you would like to play in. Don't forget to exit out of both the game and the client. So you just have to simply go to the language section from here, and you just have to simply check for the Japanese language, and after that you have to uh, uh, want to adjust your language settings before you even get in game. Understandable. Simply get to the sign in screen and booting up to the client, and then click the settings icon in the bottom right as you can see from here, and after that you will see a game language complete with a drop down list. Simply select the language you want of your choice, exit out of both of the client and the game if you had it open, and you will be good to go. And after selecting it, that's it for this video guys. See you in the next video.